Moving further, we'll do personal pronouns today. So what I'll do, I'll quickly copy it on the paint so that I can do highlights also. Please allow me a moment. I hope the screen is visible. So what is a personal pronoun? When you are referring to someone or somebody, it is called as personal pronoun. Let's say, so if we are saying I is called as ich in German. Ich, that means you are referring to yourself, that is one person. Okay? If you are referring to one person, which is yourself, then it will be first person and singular. So it is ich. However, if you're referring to talking to other person on a formal note, it will be capital Z, which means S will be capital. It means you are referring to somebody on a formal note. In English, there is no segregation. We refer everybody as you. Either you're talking to parents or to friends. But in German, we do have this segregation. So if you're talking to your boss, relatives, parents, teachers, you have to use this Z wherein S is capital. This capital S can come even in middle of the sentence. So in German, you will find a lot of capital letters even in the middle of the sentence. However, if you're referring to somebody on an informal note, let's say your friends, your sibling, your younger brother, sister, then you can refer the person as du also, which is you in formal. It is not du, it is du, the du sound. Since we are one person is talking to the other person, so this is second person singular. Since you are talking only to the one person. Now, if two people are talking about a third person who is a male, in English we refer it as he, and in German we call it as er. Er. That means two people are talking about a male person, so we are referring to the third person here. And he is a male and singular in nature. If two people are talking about a lady, then it will be again Z, but with a small s, which means she in English. It's referring to the third person again and singular in nature. On the other hand, if we'll say S, which means it is again third person singular. In this picture, you can see there is a girl. So in German, every noun has a gender. Let me make it clear to you. So in German, every noun has a gender. And that you need to learn. There is no set criteria that these will be females, these will be males. So it's masculine, then it's feminine, neutral, and plural. These are the four genders. So in German, girl is called as Mädchen. And the article for it is neutral. Hence, we are using S to refer to the girl. It will be more clear to you in the coming slides when I'll explain you. But right now, just keep in mind that S is being referred to the girl, which is Mädchen in German. So any noun which carries a neutral article will be referred as S. Again, third person, we are talking only about one person and singular in nature. I hope until first person, second person, and third person, it's clear to everyone. Now, if we talk about plurals, that means it is not first person, second person, we are referring to a group of people. So it will be wir. Wir is we. That means we are referring to a group of people. So, but if we are referring to a group of people which is more than one but on informal note, then it will be called as ear. I capital HR, ear. This ear is the plural form of du. You informal, you all informal. This wir is the plural form of ich, I and we. And this small c refers to they all or you all, which is a plural form of this formal c or RZS. So they all also being referred as they. But again, a small s. Now, you must be thinking there are a lot of z's, how to differentiate between them. So, it's very easy to differentiate between them. In the coming slide, it will be made clear to you. Right now, just keep this table in mind and always remember that for you formal, you have to write the capital S. Else your sentence will go wrong. Coming back to the slides. I repeat again. Ich is I. Du is you, informal. Sie is again you. You're talking to one person on a formal note. Is he. Sie is she. Es it. Wir we. Ihr you all. And sie they all. You have to learn this table, all 4 columns, and then you need to take a new paper or turn the page of your German notebook. And then you have to make it yourself. That means you have to write all columns yourself and cross-check. These needs to be learned thoroughly. This will be the base of your German grammar. So first learn it, take a new page, write it, cross-check it, and learn from your mistakes. In German, personal pronouns are called as Personal Pronomen. I repeat, Personal Pronomen.